Hey guys, welcome back with new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to hide all of your Facebook photos at once. It's pretty quick and easy. Just one tap of a button to hide all of your timeline photos and posts and everything. So let's jump right in. First you can go to your profile and then scroll all the way down. I've already scrolled down. You'll tap on settings and privacy here and then tap on settings. And then we'll scroll down to under audience and visibility. You can see posts. We'll just tap on that and you can see here who can see your future posts. You just tap on that and it'll give you an options that says public, friend, friends except specific friends, and only me. Then I'll just tap on only me icon there. And that means any posts on my timeline, including photos and everything, all those photos that I've been tagged in or have posted myself, will only visible to me only. And now they're hidden from everyone else. If you want only specific friends, then check this option. And then choose friends that you want to be able to see those. Or you can see all of my friends except certain people. So this gives you a really good option. So I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.